Welcome to today's meditation. Together we'll find the time to sit with our inner child. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Again, breathe in deeply and gently let go. Allow your body to begin to soften, your shoulders dropping, your jaw unclenching, your breath becoming slow and natural. There is nowhere to go, nothing to achieve, nothing to prove. Just be here. Now, gently bring your attention inward. Imagine a younger version of yourself, a child version of you, appearing in front of you. Notice them. How do they look? What are they feeling? Do not judge. Simply observe. This child is you. And right now, they may be carrying emotions that were never fully seen, never fully heard, never fully understood. Slowly, gently approach this child. Sit beside them or kneel in front of them. Let them feel your presence. You are not here to fix anything. You are here to listen. Softly in your mind, say to them, I see you. I hear you. You are safe with me. Notice how they respond. Perhaps they soften. Perhaps they hesitate. Whatever happens is okay. Now, gently ask them, what do you need? Let the answer come naturally, without forcing it. Maybe they need love. Maybe comfort, maybe protection, maybe simply to be held. Whatever they need, you can offer it now. Imagine yourself embracing this child, holding them gently, securely. Let them feel that they are no longer alone. Feel the warmth, the connection. Now, softly tell them, I am here for you. I will not abandon you. You are loved exactly as you are. Let these words sink in. If emotions arise, allow them. There is no need to suppress anything. This is a space of safety, of healing, of compassion. Now, imagine a soft light surrounding both of you. A warm, gentle, comforting light. This light carries acceptance, forgiveness, and unconditional love. Let it wrap around you and your inner child. Feel it calming, soothing, restoring. You are becoming whole again. Now, gently say, we are one. I will take care of you. And together, we are safe. Slowly, allow this child to merge back into you. Feel their presence within your heart. You are no longer separated. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body again, grounded, calm. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this connection with you, always. Thank you for this moment. Feel free to subscribe, like and share. Share with us in the comment how you felt during this session. I'll see you whenever you need me for another video.